I'm Mr. Noisy, and today I'm going to read pages 124, 125 from this Wimpy Kid book called Old School. It's so funny. I had accidentally shifted the car into neutral, and it started to roll forward. The car was picking up speed, so I stepped on the brake. But it locked up, and the car just kept going. I was afraid I was gonna run into traffic and get hit. Then I saw Grandpa walking toward me in the breakdown lane, and I panicked. I jerked the missing steering wheel, and just barely missed Grandpa. The problem was, the car rolled right into a ditch, and that's where it stayed until Mom came 2 hours later with the towing company. If I had to do it all over again, I would just let the toothpaste cap in the drain. I was talking to the bottle. Oh man, I think it's time for me to explode the Nikes now.